All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Chevy Tahoe PPV plus SSV package with 137,000 miles and only 6,400 idle hours. Original silver from factory. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. This unit was a former Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home vehicle. Once again, original silver from factory. The paint looks very sharp, very shiny. I can't really see any scratches on the paint. My detail crew did an amazing job cleaning her up and getting most of the little scuff marks out. Once again, this was a highway state trooper vehicle, so it wasn't exposed to city hazards and whatnot. I can't really see any door dings. Once again, the scratches are not very noticeable, and if it does have some, they're going to be very light. Once again, not that noticeable. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint that is going to be medium shade all around, not too dark, not too light, perfect color combination. The vehicle does have 6 antenna holes on the roof. Once again, 6 holes on the roof where the actual antennas are. Let me go ahead and point those out right here before I lose track of myself. You guys know how I get from time to time. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there. Once again, folks, the vehicle does have 6 holes on the roof. I went ahead and put antennas on there so there is no air or water leaking into the cabin. This is going to be an E85 unit, so flex fuel okay. It's going to save you money at the gas pump. The vehicle does have factory working rear parking sensors and rear backup camera. The vehicle is equipped with a tow hitch as well. Once again, this is going to be a SSV plus PPV package, so it does have the 4-wheel option plus the 2-wheel option. So you get the best of both worlds in performance wise. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that all 4 steel wheels were replaced on this unit. When the vehicle first arrived, 2 wheels were warped. The other 2 wheels were pretty banged up and scratched and whatnot, so I went ahead and ordered 4 steel wheels. They are original from factory. So the vehicle does have 4 new steel wheels. They are nice and glossy, folks, nice and glossy. And along with the 4 steel wheels, the vehicle also does have a new set of takeoffs. Those are going to be the Goodyear Wrangler tires. Okay, these are going to be the Goodyear Wrangler tires. Let me see if I can focus in on that for you guys. Those are going to be the 265/70/17. Folks, before I forget, again, the vehicle does have new rear brakes and rotors. All right, new rear brakes and rotors on this unit right here. 1 new use spotlight assembly with LED bulb was installed in this vehicle. The vehicle did not have a spotlight upon arrival. Also, the vehicle does have a new use Setina push bar that was reinstalled into the vehicle. The vehicle does have nice and clear lights and lessons in the front as well. They're not yellow or oxidated. They are beautiful looking, in fact. Those are going to be the steel wheels, folks. Once again, those are new. All right. Talk about going over budget on this beautiful unit right here. That's okay, I don't mind it. The vehicle does look very mean, very aggressive coming down the road. She is complete, folks, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. She is ready to be registered to your name. Just gas up and go, pretty much. Let's go inside real quick. All right, folks, as you guys can see, I do have a wow, nice set of door panels. All 4 door panels are in perfect condition. Rear seat is in perfect condition. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Perfect vinyl flooring, folks. No tears, no rips. Perfect vinyl flooring. Once again, no tear, no rips. Headliner looks great. Let me go to the back so I can open it. Sorry, guys. All right, this is the rear tailgate. Driver's side seat is in nice condition, nice and comfortable still, not broken. The vehicle does have a new use OEM center console. I went ahead and I went on OfferUp and I got that center console for $500. So, and I went and put everything back in place. There you go, guys. Passenger side seat looks to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Steering wheel, the texture on the steering wheel is very, very nice. No wear. Very nice. Once again, folks, this is gonna be, let me clean this up here real quick. This is gonna be the SSV plus PPV package, which means the vehicle is 4-wheel drive and also a 2-wheel drive with a flip over switch. You can control what you want to do here, folks. All right, very nice option, not found often enough. Let's go inside. The vehicle does have 2 working key fobs with new batteries and 2 keys. Okay, 2 keys, laser cut. There you go. That's what came with the car. That's what you're getting. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Pressure lights up. Let me go ahead and cycle this to here. The vehicle does have 137,000 miles, folks. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that earlier in the beginning of the video, with 6,400 idle hours. Once again, this was a Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home unit, so it wasn't of use, and it was not a city patrol vehicle. Okay.
Concert information. The Worship Now Tour, presented by the Awakening Foundation, a non-profit supporter of Caleb, featuring Crowder.
Stereo does work, speakers do work, backup camera does work. Let's go ahead and put it in reverse. Camera comes up over here. It does have backup sensors as well. They do work. Vehicle is also equipped with a rear air conditioner. It does work, okay? LED light does work. New used one. I do keep those on inventory, so there you go, folks. Parking sensor, traction control button right there, folks. And once again, if I do forget something, folks, I will make sure I mention that in my eBay ad. Let's come to the back. The vehicle also does have a new rear wiper blade motor. The wiper blade motor that was in place was bad. It wasn't working all the time, so I went ahead and there's only one way out, and it had to be an OEM new wiper blade motor, so it was installed. Now the rear wiper does work. Let's go under the hood, folks. This vehicle sounds very, very mean. It's in great running condition, folks, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. She's ready to go. One hand here. Sorry. All right, once again, this is the engine bay. No funny noises, no funny smells, no funny ticks, no funny noises. All right, here we go. Let me shut up for a minute. Alright, folks, here we go. Starting left to right on this one, the vehicle does have a new air filter, new cabin filter. The vehicle does have 8 new AC Delco Irradiant spark plugs and a set of new AC Delco spark plug wires to go with it. Full synthetic 530 oil service with Texas was done. Rear brakes and rotors were done. Dry belt and tensioner belt, dry belt and AC belt are in good shape, so I didn't have to replace those. Rear brakes, folks, on this vehicle They were about 75%, so I did not have to replace them. They are good. There is no braking noise whatsoever. She holds very, very well. She can stop on a dime. What else? Oh yes, the vehicle does have a brand new rebuilt transmission. 6L80E new rebuilt transmission. I did purchase this vehicle knowing that the transmission was bad, and that was $2,900 my cost to get it fixed from A to Z. Once again, I didn't put a band-aid over it. I had the whole transmission rebuilt. All right, and I also did have the hydraulic brake pump replaced. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but the hydraulic brake pump was replaced on this one. Don't worry folks, I got you covered. Super cold air conditioner as well. The AC system was serviced. There was a leak in one of the pressure lines for the air conditioner, so we replaced that and recharged the system. So it's nice and cold folks. She is road ready. If you have any questions, comments, please do not hesitate to give me a call folks. If you see something you like, please call me. I'm not sure how long this vehicle is gonna remain online, but once again, if you see something, call me. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I hope you guys have a blessed Labor Day weekend out there with your family. I will be here working, bringing you more vehicles. All right. Once again, this is gonna be a 2015 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit vehicle plus SSV. 4x4 and 2-wheel drive, all in one vehicle here for you guys with 137,000 miles and only 6,400 idle hours. 4 more highway patrol state trooper take home car. Here she go folks, she is ready, she needs no repair. This is SoCal Police Cruiser signing off. Once again, God bless and take care.